Hello, everyone. Welcome to Friday Stock Watch. On Monday, we had talked of Nifty and how it's going to work out for Nifty for the week. And thereafter, we talked of Nifty Financial Services and how they are placed. And we saw certain stocks of that Nifty Financial Services, how they were positioned. In fact, we saw the complete components. Today, we shall therefore focus on Nifty Financial Services, some of the stocks and how they are likely to perform and technically how they are positioned. But before we go there, a quick look at the Nifty. Now, this is the slide of of Monday. Here we had talked of the range in which Nifty can move. We had said there was a strong resistance to which it can fall down. Of course, the sentiments were bearish. It did fall. It took support somewhere here. We had said 1922, it took support around, it turned around from 1932, and it's been consolidating as we had said. Yesterday, or rather today, on Thursday, it has closed at 19133. So it is consolidating and doing exactly what we had done. So I hope you have profited in trading. So now it is positioned to consolidate in the complete zone which we had talked of. So while it is pushing upwards apparently, what is Nifty Financial Services doing? It took support on a major resistance, slowly bumped up along with the Nifty. It is trying to cross a resistance or trying to cross the trend line, which is resisting its movement. It is attempted once, attempted twice, and if the Nifty gives it a push, we might go into a greener territory for Nifty Financial Services. But of course, overall, they are still in a very negative direction. So if this is the way Nifty Financial Services are placed, what are the stocks doing? So we will check out a few stocks of this to see how things are playing out. First, let's look at HDFC. HDFC has been on a decline. It took a sharper decline, went down. In the last few days, it's been trying to push up. Again, it has been on this trend line, taking support and falling back. It is resisted on a major resistance here, where it has bounced a couple of times, and now it's stuck in this triangle. So if Nifty gives it a push, we have a chance of it going for brighter days. But remember, overall, it's still in a negative bias. It will need a lot of effort to zoom up. Yes, but once it comes from here, it gives it an opportunity to come and fight the next level of major resistance. Coming down to SBI Life. Now, SBI Life is a little different if you see from HDFC. In fact, all four I've taken a little different from each other, so that I want you to understand the technicals of these. It's taken support, moved up, touched the trend line, resisted this, came back, took support on its 20 EMA and moved up, and again is resisting the trend line. It's attempting to break out from here. Again, if things go well during the week and it gets a push out, it's going to make a higher high. So it'll be a higher high, higher low, and a higher high. Then we have a nice greener pasture opening up for SBI. Looking at Shriram Finance, the Shriram Finance is on an upward trend, but here it's got stuck in a sideways kind of a movement between this Bollinger Band. But at this particular stage, if we see it is at the higher edge of the Bollinger Band, it's been attempting to cross the trend line. In fact, it has jumped a little higher. A slight push can take it to very high green pastures. In fact, a few days back, there was a zoom in it where I think it had moved up by nearly 7-8% before it came down again. all the indicators are also indicating that it is about to break out. It is about to move ahead. All it needs is a nifty support. Coming on to ICICI General Insurance. This is very interestingly placed again. It's taken support at the lower trend line. It has breached the top trend line. And then this week, when the markets did not support, it came and has tested the trend line. After testing the trend line, it has started moving up. That indicates a clear breakout for a stock like this. So technically, all these stocks are very interestingly placed. It comes to us to see next week how things pan out. If Nifty, as we had talked of earlier, moves into next stage of consolidation, which is one level higher, it will push the Nifty financial services are also likely to get pushed higher. And if that be so, we have number of stocks in Nifty financial services that can take a breakout from lines that have been resisting them, from areas which have been resisting them. Do check out the remainder stocks of Nifty financial services, and thereafter take your call and how you wish to trade. I just want to tell you, the technical analysis is pretty powerful. If you do it correctly, you would be able to understand where exactly the things are going and how you can handle them. So hope to have a great weekend and a good training day tomorrow and thereafter next week. I shall see you again on Monday. Take care and bye.